Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon here to access its settings. And here you have to scroll down to the bottom and select Reset Settings option, and then confirm it by tapping Reset, and after that all of the camera settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.